Hello art friends. We're going to be starting a composition today, and so you need your first and last name and your hour, and then we're going to draw a 5-scale value scale here, and we're going to draw a 5-scale color value scale here. And so I'm going to go through, show you how to paint this. If you did the black and white color study on the other color study we did, this should be like piece of cake. So on my palette, I've got some white, so I'm going to paint number 1 white. Okay, then I'm going to put just a teeny tiny amount of black in that gray, or in the white, to make that light gray, that medium gray, medium light gray. Then I'm going to put a little bit of more black in there, and I'm gonna paint the medium, and then I'm gonna put more black in, and that's gonna be that dark medium. Okay, and then I'm gonna wash my brush because I don't want any white, all black. Get the water off that, dip in the black. Oh, there's that beautiful black. Okay. So now I'm going to start my color. All right. So for the color, you're going to have to choose your color. So I'm going to choose kind of a reddish violet. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. You choose whatever color you want. And then that is going to be the color. All right. So that's this right here, just the color. Then what I'm going to do is, because white is lighter, I'm going to take my dirty brush, mix it into the white over here, and this is going to be that number 1 color plus white, tons of white. So it's very light tint. Okay, then I'm going to add more of that over here. Now it's going to be a little bit darker. Okay, so that is the color plus white. Not as much white though. Okay, so use your white, mix in the white. All right, so now I'm going to switch my brush because I don't want gray over here. I want the color plus black. Now, since red violet is kind of a dark color, it's not going to show, black is not going to show a ton in it. So I'm going to take the black to the color over here, because the color is lighter than black. So here's the color plus a little black. I don't want to let that white get in there. Ooh, that's a really pretty plum color. Now I'm going to add a little more black. And then there's the color plus a lot of black. All right. So I'm gonna borrow this. So if I were gonna put numbers on this, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just like I have the 5 scale. All right, so now I'm ready to start creating my composition on the other side. So I'm gonna move my palette around. Now I know this is wet,